To outline your comic book or novel, here are some tips to help you break it down issue by issue or chapter by chapter. First thing, start with a rough outline of your story. That means write down the key events and plot points you want to happen in your story. Exactly. Next, organize those events into issues or chapters. Think about the pacing of your story and where it makes sense to break it up. Once you have your issues or chapters outlined, start breaking them down further. Think about the dialogue and scenes that need to happen in each section. Precisely, mini-me. If you're working on a comic book, consider the panel layout and how each panel will flow from one to the next. Working on a novel, think about how you can build tension and use each chapter to keep readers engaged. Very good. Do I need to teach you or are you teaching me? Never mind, we're teaching them. So remember, outlining doesn't have to be perfect. It's just about getting your ideas on a page in a proper order. And you can refine them as you go. Happy writing! And don't forget to follow for more writing tips. What they said.